Welcome to Mutat Decode. Deep in the Amazon, physics takes a holiday. Spark, gravity index is inverted. Are you seeing this? It defies every known law of hydrodynamics. Amazing. White jade, cold to the touch, yet vibrating. These aren't just carvings, they are energy circuits. Spark, scan the perimeter. Locate the power source. Matches the Atlantis fragments from 1920. Exact match. Silicon-based flora evolution took a strange path here. A control interface, or perhaps a biolock. Whoa! Stabilizers on! The platform is resonating! The system is waking up after thousands of years. Magnificent! A solid light holographic projection. Behold the lost city, a technological utopia! Photons and force fields. Tangible history. Vertical agriculture. Hydroponic and highly efficient. No roads. They didn't need wheels. They had levitation. Technology perfectly imitating nature. Sonic levitation to move megaton blocks. Pure genius. A civilization of philosopher kings. Perfectly balanced. Merging spiritual energy with mechanical engineering. Spark, check radiation. The mood is shifting drastically. Expansion, the eternal enemy of natural balance. They got greedy. They wanted more resources. It's the Industrial Revolution, but accelerated tenfold. Social unrest follows environmental collapse. Predictable. Why does history always repeat the same mistake? Thermal runaway. They cooked their own planet. The fall of an empire. Is it over? The silence is deafening. But look, time passes, the earth heals. Nature reclaims everything. It is the ultimate winner. One last message from the ancients. A seed, the symbol of resilience and rebirth. Spark, scan this structure. Is it biological or digital? A hybrid. They left a backup of their knowledge inside biology. We have to carry this warning back, Spark. This key, it's heavy with responsibility. Dormant again, waiting for the next seeker.
The real world looks even more precious now.
Hello there. No pixels here, just pure life.
Coordinates logged. We need to trek north. Leaving the sacred, returning to the wild.
Back to solid, boring, normal gravity Earth.
Although, I will miss the view.
The sun, the only fusion reactor we really need. Clear the path, Spark. Adventure isn't over yet.
One mystery solved, 1,000 more to go. Wait, Spark, analyze this pigment. High radiation resistance. Nature is adapting too.
We are guests here. We must remember that. Sometimes the journey is better than the destination. And you? What will you discover today? Keep your eyes open. The world is full of codes. See you in the next simulation.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.